Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products and give you honest, expert reviews. Today, we're talking about a game changer for those who want quick, beautiful hair without the hassle. Let's explore the KLAIYI Fluffy Body Wave Curtain Bang Wig, a pre-cut, glueless, and ready-to-wear 7x5 lace front wig made with 100% human hair. If you're tired of spending hours at the salon or dealing with the mess of glue and gel, this wig might be the solution you're looking for. This wig is designed to save you time and money. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and comes with a pre-cut HD lace that blends seamlessly with your skin tone. The KLAIYI Fluffy Body Wave Curtain Bang Wig promises a natural look, easy application, and all-day comfort with zero glue or gel. So let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's break down the features. The wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, which means you're getting high-quality, smooth, and soft strands. It's available in a 28-inch length with 180% density, giving you thick, voluminous hair. The key selling point here is the 7x5 lace closure, which gives you a large area for styling flexibility while still offering a seamless and undetectable hairline. The lace also promises to melt well into various skin tones, creating a truly natural look. The glueless design makes this wig beginner-friendly. Whether you're new to wigs or just tired of the mess that comes with adhesives, this product is designed to be quick and easy. You simply put it on, adjust the elastic band and straps, and you're ready to go in 30 seconds. No glue, no hassle. The Peel and Stick Magic Ear Tab ensures the wig stays in place all day, even during those busy, on-the-go moments. Now let's talk about how this wig feels and performs. I found that the pre-plucked and pre-bleached knots really contribute to a more natural, realistic look. The wig blends perfectly with your natural hairline, and the body wave texture gives it a soft, voluminous appearance without being overly bulky. As for comfort, the wide elastic band and adjustable straps made it easy to find a secure fit, and the breathable cap kept me cool throughout the day. However, one thing I noticed is that while the 7x5 lace provides plenty of space for different hairstyles, it does require a little more effort if you want to customize it. The lace is quite delicate, so I recommend being gentle during styling or when adjusting the wig to prevent any tearing or stretching. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: glueless design. Fast and easy to put on, ideal for beginners. Pre-plucked and pre-bleached, saves time and effort on customization. Natural look. The HD lace blends well with various skin tones, creating an undetectable hairline. High-quality human hair. Smooth, soft, and durable. Comfortable fit. Adjustable straps and an elastic band keep it secure all day. Cons: delicate lace. While the lace is great for blending, it requires gentle handling to avoid damage. Limited styling versatility. The pre-cut lace means you're somewhat limited in how much you can adjust the wig's shape or hairline. When it comes to value for money, the KLAIYI Fluffy Body Wave Curtain Bang Wig is definitely on the pricier side. But given the quality of the hair and the convenience of the glueless design, I think it's worth it for anyone looking for a high-end, no-hassle wig. You're paying for the premium Brazilian virgin hair and the ease of application. So if you're someone who values quick and natural results, this might be a great investment. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options in a similar price range that offer glueless designs or pre-plucked hairlines, but none that combine all the features of this wig, especially the quality of the Brazilian virgin hair and the 7x5 lace closure. However, for a more budget-friendly option, there are synthetic wigs with similar styles, though they might not have the same natural look or long-term durability. As for build quality and longevity, the wig seems well-constructed overall, with the lace being the most delicate part. If taken care of properly, the wig should last a long time. I recommend using a wig stand to keep it in good shape when not in use. If you're wondering about customer support, I've read that KLAIYI has a solid reputation for addressing customer concerns and offering assistance, but I didn't have any personal interactions with their team. To wrap up, the KLAIYI Fluffy Body Wave Curtain Bang Wig is a great choice for anyone looking for a quick, natural-looking wig that doesn't require glue or complicated installation. The quality of the hair is impressive, and the glueless design makes it incredibly convenient. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who's short on time but still wants to look fabulous. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue bringing honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.